Good morning, students. Today we are going to see question tag. What do you mean by question tag? Question tag means it is a phrase that is added at the end of a statement like a tag to attract the listener while speaking and writing. For example, here there are two sentences. Sentence A, Mahesh is absent today. Sentence B, Mahesh is absent today, isn't he? Here, the sentence A is a mere statement. It does not attract the attention of the listener. But sentence B is a statement with a tag question. The speaker very well knows Mahesh is absent. Nevertheless, he wants to make sure of the statement is correct or the listener agrees to what he says. Let us see certain points to be noted down while writing a question tag for a statement. The first point, the form of question tag is always in agreement of a subject with the verb of a statement. The subject of the statement is repeated in the question tag. If the subject is noun, it is repeated in its pronoun form. For example, Rohan is coming today. Here, Rohan which is in the noun form, so we use the substitute of Rohan as he. The answer is isn't he. If there is a special verb in a statement, it is repeated in the question tag. For example, the girl is very intelligent. Here the special verb is. It is repeated in the question tag as isn't she. The questions are easy. The special verb here is are. It is repeated in the tag. The answer is aren't they. Next point. Suppose there is no special verb in the statement. That means if we have a main verb in a sentence, we have to use suitable auxiliary verb according to the number, person and tense. Number means singular or plural. Person means first person, second person or third person. According to the tense form, we have to use do, does or did. For example, my mother cooks well. Here cooks which is in the main verb. So we use the suitable verb as does. So the answer is doesn't she. Let us see this example. My mother cooked well. The main verb which is in the past tense. So we use the corresponding past form of the verb as did. So the answer is didn't she. When the statement is affirmative, a negative tag is added. For example, the weather is superb today. Here the statement is in the positive. There is no not in the statement. So the answer is isn't it. When the statement is in negative, a positive tag to be used. For example, the interview wasn't so hard. Here the sentence has not. So the sentence considered as it is in the negative form. So we use the positive tag as was it. Next point. Use always comma after the statement. She dances beautifully. So before writing the question tag, we have to always use the comma. The question tag should start with a small letter only. We should not start with a capital letter. Let us see this example. The girls don't dance beautifully. After comma, the first letter is in the small letter. The question tag should end with a question mark. He has gone to the office, hasn't he? It ends with a question mark. Am plus not has to be restructured as aren't I. For example, I am not a senior citizen. Here am not is written as aren't I in its tag form. When the suggestions are made with letters, we have to use always shall we. For example, let us make a call, shall we. Let us see some of the examples how a question tag is used here. Let us wait for some time, shall we. Wait for a moment, can you. Have some more lemonade, will you. Somebody has broken my CD, haven't they? There is a temple near your house, isn't there? There are 24 students in your class, aren't there? Nobody, none, no one, nothing, nowhere. When these words are used in a sentence, the meaning is negative, although the word not is not used. Therefore, it requires positive tag. Let us see some of the examples. Sentences for writing a question tag. Air is a mixture of different gases, isn't it? Children like to play in the rain, don't they? The questions were unexpected, weren't they? Her mother goes to college by car, doesn't she? Raj need not wait for you, need he? She can't speak French, can she? We should protect our environment, shouldn't we? My parents will come to see me, won't they? Thank you, students. Now you can check your textbook for doing your exercises on question tags. Thank you.